What's up, you all? It's Timstuh. Today we're reviewing the Equate pre-workout right here from Walmart. It is a cheap, budget pre-workout that we have been utilizing for a while. I have some examples here. You can see that I have been using this not only for just a small amount of time, but I've been using this for longer formats of time, cycle days, 90 days plus. And I wanted to really give my insight, including tasting it live and just more, so that I can give you a thorough, authentic view on how it actually is. If you like content like this, ensure that you subscribe, stay up to date with us. We have tons of links in the description below. And thank you so much for our growing TikTok community base, as we have reached over 130,000 followers. I appreciate you. And as our other content continues to grow, such as our Twitch, it has also gotten over to about over 1,000 followers on there also, and viewership. So please continue to support, as it really means the world to us. Now that we got all that done, let's get into the Equate pre-workout. So I'm going to read over some of the things on it really quick. Let's talk about, obviously, I got it from Walmart. It runs about $9, and I've been using it, like what I said, for massive amounts of times, meaning months and months. And this is still my go-to every day. It's the morning right now, and I'm recording this, and I'm actually going to utilize it before I go to the gym. I'm in my gym clothes and everything. I'm in a quick hat. And so let's go ahead and read over some of the things. It is fruit punch. So fruit punch. Well, I'll give y'all some taste right now. Also, it has 2 grams total carbs. It has some BCA in it, which is perfect for recovery and just intra workout, meaning during your workouts. And then it also has some beta A, but not enough to make you feel that weird tingle in your arm. So it's definitely not that. Essentially, that's all that breakdown of it. So before we mix into anything, I want to tell y'all what I usually use this for. There's 3 large components of how I use this pre-workout. I use the pre-workout obviously for fitness. It's a great thing. A second thing is that I was a dancer who traveled the world. So traveling / dancing, I was always on the road performing for multiple hours rehearsing. And when I used it for dancing, this pre-workout was usually my go-to because it was cheap, and Walmart was usually around the country. And so I'll pack up on a few, put them in my bags when I went international traveling, and they're very small and condensed, so you can travel with them everywhere. You can just throw it in your gym bag, so you're saving money. It's compact, it's immediate, and you also, it's at your leisure. It's real quick, has a small scoop, it's a friendly scoop. And so I did it for fitness, I did it for dancing, traveling around, and then now I'm essentially using it because now I'm working from home. I'm doing more YouTube, I'm doing more TikTok, and I'm doing more live streaming on both TikTok and Twitch and gaming. And therefore, to create that content, it's a very much high entertaining. It's a high demand in entertainment and performance. And therefore, I utilize it now for gaming. So yes, you can use pre-workout for gaming. So always look into things like that, especially as a performer. Gamers are essentially business owners now, content creators, performers, and more, just due to the demand of the gaming world right now. And also we're a huge part of it, and I'm glad to be a part of it now, in terms of gaming and tech. So we're really huge in our community on TikTok. And in order for us to create that content at a focused level, giving great education, it really takes a pre-workout like this to give me natural ability and natural energy to really on top forego the energy I already withhold, because I already have a lot of energy, but with more pre-workout, it's amazing. So people utilize, like a great example for this for gamers would be something like G Fuel. So G Fuel does something like that. So I covered more of the essentials of what I use it for. Let's go ahead and get into a test. It is fruit punch, smells pretty good. So yeah, this is kind of how it looks on the inside. Very simple. So yeah, like what gamers do is that they utilize this. My nails are gonna get all red now. Gamers use it, you can think of it similarly to what G Fuel does, to what Bang Energy does for dancers and athletes. And right here, I'm putting in a scoop. I put in a little bit less, so boom, 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 boom. So there's about 1 full scoop, about 6 to 12 ounces of water. I do 6 because I'm a little bit more immune, and I always stay hydrated throughout the day. So that's very important to stay hydrated while you're utilizing this. So yeah, I do that, and I'm always hydrated. So it is important for yourself to stay as hydrated as you can when you take supplements like this, as they're not illegal or anything, but it's best for your body, because your body has to get immune to it and used to it. So this is a fruit punch, kind of how it looks. I got the blender from Walmart also. It's a real cheap blender, real cheap pre-workout. That's what we're about here. We're just about trying to save some money. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this rolling because this is gonna get me hyped up now for another round. Let's go. Very great. So with this, what I love, it has a natural fruit punch ability, but it's not too much tart and it's not too sweet to where it'll stain you up on your teeth and to where it just make it really cringe. Instead, it's a very light appeal and it curves your sweet tooth. I have a massive sweet tooth, so I need to curve my sweet tooth a lot. It's pretty good. So yeah, I finished up my almost finished up my 6 ounce. Now I finished up my 6 ounces, and so all in all, I use this because it has helped us out really level up our content, especially in recent times. It has been hard to get through a lot of stuff just naturally, and so these are not, like what I said, this is not an illegal enhancer. For $9, you're definitely gonna win this situation when it comes down to just building a high energy that's natural throughout the day. This energy helps me out throughout the day, and to give you to focus more, I do schoolwork. I have my master's degree and trying to get my PhD. I go to work out usually once or twice a day, depending on how I feel like I can fit into my schedule. I work on content. I get back to business emails. I run multiple businesses. I create music. I DJ. I travel. And this helps with all those essentials. And I think that y'all would really find a benefit in spending $9 to really up your credentials and up everything to where you can really stay, you know, awake and alert for a longer amount of time. It's not that you get that energy and that focus, it's that you become far more alert to where it allows you to perform at your highest level with your focus and your intensity to always compete with yourself and be better with yourself. So for $9, man, Equate, very small, very travel compact, and I had to say it's something that you can't look over. So if y'all are looking for something to not spend money, if you're new to the fitness realm, I'd recommend this. If you're new to the fitness realm and you're just looking for supplements to get into, these are great training wheels to help you out. If you're a new streamer and you just feel like you don't have that energy like others of your favorite, because I know your favorite content creators probably are taking G Fuel and more. And if you don't want to spend that much money because you already spend money on your setup, for streamers and gamers, you can buy a budget pre-workout and it helps you perform content. So if you can get content at a high level of energy, you can really grasp onto a new audience and spreading your content across the platforms. And then last but not least, for dancers also, for dancers that don't feel like buying bang energy all the time, you can use this to perform with. So essentially, all in all, you can just use it, or on top of everything on a day-to-day activity, you can just use it. Sometimes I just use it just to use it so that I can just do more business emails and stay focused on my schoolwork, and college students that just want to work out and just have a proactive day, right? College students hustle. They have part-time jobs, they travel, they're commuting, they want to jam out, they're listening, they're reading. The mind, body, and more needs to stay focused, and this helps you out with that. For $9, one of the best budget investments you can make for sure. And it's natural. You don't feel anything. I already drank it. I feel great. So I appreciate you all so much, man. If y'all enjoy content like this, hit us with a thumbs up as it helps others out, man. So my name is Timstuh. You can hit me up at TIMSTUH on all media. I appreciate y'all. Peace.